So this is where I'm camping right now in north central Wisconsin. Googled, found this dispersed camping area. There was actually a abandoned trailer actually right here, but as fate would have it, within like minutes of me arriving, the ranger arrived with his pickup and dragged it out of here. So, hey, baby girl. Hello. So, there's my little girlfriend. Oh, the little pup. Oh, she cute. And then, so this is all mine. Beautiful little lake here. Extends out that way. So I'm at one end of the lake. Got my little set up here, as always. I actually just came here this time for to really be able to read. Just gonna kick back, relax. Lily's getting too old for hiking, so we're just kind of kicking back. Brought a whole bunch of books. Oh yeah, always remember, have to have my Rooney no matter where I go. So let's see, what is our reading material for today? The Green Witch, your complete guide to the natural magics of herbs, flowers, essential oils, and more. That shall be interesting. Modern Herbal Dispensary, a medicine making guide, a notebook for me to write in, and the complete book of witchcraft. And this is my view from my window. Hugs, kisses, everybody. Hugs, kisses.